3D printing has become an indispensable tool for engineers, designers, and makers like us. Yet when it comes to creating complex geometries reliably out of high-performance materials, we're still limited by the costs and complexity of industrial powder-based machines. That's why we've decided to bring selective laser sintering to the desktop. Introducing Micron.
With Micron, you can forget about the need for support materials. This enables you to print intricate and interlocking geometries, opening up entirely new possibilities. There's also far less concern about printability, which lets you focus more on creativity and less on constraints. The materials are robust, equally strong in all directions, and extremely resistant to chemicals and abrasion, allowing you to make parts that you can depend on for critical end-use applications. When you are prototyping, oftentimes modifications need to be made to the printed parts. The parts coming out of Micron can be drilled into and machined without splitting apart, allowing you to iterate more quickly. And when it's time to scale up, you can make full use of the build volume to efficiently pack hundreds of parts into a single print. To make SLS truly accessible, we've developed not just an outstanding printer, but a streamlined workflow. Our fully enclosed powder handling systems prevents powder from getting everywhere and allows you to change materials instantly. MicroSlicer, which we created in-house, allows you to efficiently pack parts using interactive physics simulation. After printing, just scoop the powder cake, drop them into a sifting bin, and give it a good shake. This separates out most of the unused powder for use in future prints. The finished parts can then be media blasted to achieve a perfect surface finish.
Selective laser sintering, or SLS, is a robust process that has been the workhorse of industrial 3D printing for decades. It works by fusing plastic powder using a high-powered laser to form fully dense parts layer by layer. The parts are held up by unfused powder from previous layers, which eliminates the need for supports. The print process is the same regardless of geometry, making it a reliable and repeatable process that you can count on.
We've spent the last 2 years perfecting every component of Micron, from our own laser system and control board to our firmware and slicer, to make a robust and tightly integrated product. Now we need your help to get this into the hands of users everywhere. We can't wait for you to join us and be part of the manufacturing revolution and see all the amazing things you can create with Micron.